Hello, it's artist Evgeny Bondarenko and I'm again in Taiwan, Huwei. Today we'll draw this amazing building. It's a Japanese fire station. This drawing on a box dedicated to World Heritage Day about old buildings and protecting our old architecture. So here it's a box for a set of postcards. So people who want to support this movement, they can buy this set of postcards, and different artists draw. So it's limited edition boxes with original drawings on them, and I decided to draw all box around and also draw interior of this building. This house has very interesting original Japanese design inside. So and you can see I use acrylic ink, a special refillable marker with acrylic ink. It's very nice to use. So in the front I draw this house, and the back side I draw parking lot, like if this house been demolished, because it was story about people was fighting to protect this historical building from demolition. So you can see inside interior of this house. It's a bookstore there, and this is my drawings on a postcard from different historical locations like China and Taiwan and Russia. Yeah, so thank you for watching. Check out my other videos with drawing outdoors. I have very interesting locations and trying different materials and different compositions.